Hey sugars, it's me, Morena Azucar, and today I have a haul from one of my favorite companies, probably my favorite company. I have a whole box of Mila Jae body products. Y'all, I can't even remember everything I ordered. I do remember what I didn't order. I forgot to order a clay mask, but y'all see it. Her packaging is so nice. I mean, presentation is everything. So, hold on. Okay, sorry. What's in here? Let's see. And y'all know I have talked to you all about Mila Jae products. The products are all natural. They are created by a friend of mine who formulated these products because her and her son suffer from eczema. And you know, when you formulate something for yourself, you just put your all into it. You know, you don't have to have eczema to use these products, but they work great for eczema, psoriasis, and sensitive skin. My hyperpigmentation is going away. The products are also affordable. Like, I don't know how she's doing it because they're all natural, no preservatives. But she sent me a Nora body wash sample. Her line is very extensive, y'all. She has body washes, lip glosses, exfoliating scrub, clay mask, different natural soaps like the turmeric and neem, and I know that because that's the one I use. Manuka and honey. I mean, the line is just awesome, and she just grew and grew. Like, I am so happy for her. She also sent me a bath mitt. I think that's what this is. Yeah. But it says, she also sent an adorable thank you card. It says, always a pleasure packaging your orders. Thank you so much for your continued support. Have an amazing week, Mila Jae. Yeah, I just love Jamila. I really do. I mean, she is so supportive. Here's her business card. I'm going to link this in the description box, but there you are if you want to, you know, freeze that. This is the Lavender, Rosemary, Tonic. Oh, this is my order supply and my order list, and on it, she put warm weather notice. So that's awesome. Okay, y'all, let's start unpacking some stuff. The first stuff, I don't know what this is. Let's see. Everything is bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Oh, this was an ice pick. Okay. Everything is bubble wrap. No chance of damage. None. She cuts no corners. So what I have in here is glow mask kits. So yeah. I have 4 of these, and this gets mixed with my turmeric and neem mask. Wow, I did not expect this soap to be this wow, this big. Oh my goodness. You see, that's another thing for the money you spend, the quality, I mean the quantity even. Like, these are natural products. So I don't know. Y'all, I'm telling you, y'all gotta try this. So, and I'm actually opening everything because I was almost out, like, down to the very bare bones of what I have. So, oh my goodness, y'all. Wait till y'all see how, look how big this soap is. Look at it. It's so pretty, too. But yeah, that's a turmeric and neem body bar. This is my facial toner. I also have did I really order this much? I don't know. I don't remember. Like, this is my turmeric and neem exfoliating glow mask. Y'all know I came on here when she first, this is the first product that I knew that she had. It was a soothing balm, and y'all see that in so many of my videos. Like, y'all, I live by this stuff. Like, I literally only have a corner, a very corner. Like, I may have been able to use it 2 more times before I ordered this, but she now has a much larger jar. So now I can use it even more. So that's the soothing balm. Like, this is never be ashy again. She called it soothing balm, but this never be ashy again. Like, I love this. I love this. Like, I tell everybody about this stuff. This I can wear in the summertime. It's all natural. It gives you a glow, not a shine. And you don't feel it on your skin. Like, it just goes in. Like, oh, I do have clay mask. Okay, this is a clay mask. Another glow mask. Oh no, this is the glow mask. This is a glow mask. And this is her glow oil. Yeah, I don't remember my order because I was just ordering. Like, I was so excited to finally be able to order. And yeah, I got this for a travel kit, but this is like a little starter kit. If you want to start out with her products, you know, you don't know, you can actually order the little turmeric and neem bar, facial bar. And the turmeric and neem bars, they're basically named facial bar and body bar because of the size. Like, see, this is small for your face. Although, actually, I take this size. I'm going to take this and cut this down so that, well, I'm going to give somebody a piece of it because I didn't realize it was going to be that big. But, then I have another clay mask and another soothing. I love this stuff, but yeah, actually, this is gonna be my travel kit, so that's why I got this. It also comes with a small facial toner and the glow oil. Yeah, I just love this little dropper bottle. This is so nice. Yeah. So that is my Mila Jae order. Yeah, I am so happy to get these products and to be able to go ahead and start using them. Oh, y'all, I see what this is. This goes with the clay mask. So, okay. Alright. Because, see, when I tried the clay mask, she sent me the clay mask. It was already mixed. But she changed it to a dry product. Better for shipping and lasts longer. And she doesn't have to put preservatives in it. No preservatives is always good. And even though there are no preservatives, well, I can't really say there's not a problem with it lasting because I use the products on a regular, so I don't really have a problem. Mine's not gonna go bad. Y'all, that's just how good these items are. So I'm gonna ask all of you all to go over. She has an Instagram page, a Facebook page, a YouTube page, and I'm gonna link all of that in the bottom. I am also going to put a direct link to her website. Y'all go over, support my dear friend. It is a black-owned business, in case I need to say that to encourage some of you. The products are good. Like, I have been trying to find old pictures so that I can do befores and afters. I do have an old video where I first got the soothing balm. I will link that below. And if you have not, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go over and check out Mila Jae Body. I have to remember to say that. She also has lip glosses. She has body sprays. She has, y'all, I gotta do a whole nother order. Like, I only ordered care stuff because I'm just so excited about how this stuff has been working on my face. Like, I can afford it, and yet it's still working. Usually, if I can afford a product, it doesn't work, or it only works slightly. Her products give you a natural glow. They don't bother your skin. They don't bother your sinuses. Like, y'all, I can't tell y'all. I can't tell y'all enough. Just go over, order something. If you don't order nothing but the little glow kit, just order that. But like I said, there's lip glosses. There's body sprays, there's body washes. She has exfoliating soaps with the loafer on the inside of it. So just go over, y'all. Go over. I can't stress it enough. Go over and listen. Let me tell you something. Y'all better go ahead and be starting to see. I'm trying to get me a stock, kind of like built up. Cause when she go in the stores, we probably ain't gonna be able to hardly find this stuff. Like, it is good. Read the reviews on the website. Don't just go by what I'm saying. Read the reviews. You'll see. Everyone says it's good. Look at her Instagram page. Y'all, this Black Girl Magic. Jamila has really done something awesome. So go over, check out her, all of the different links I'm going to leave. And remember what I always say. Be a blessing, stay blessed, and I love you. I'll see you soon.